Welcome back to the Daily Grind, everyone. So today I am giving my plants a little boost. I've already got this measured out. The tomatoes here are probably going to be producing, they've already started producing some tomatoes, and it had been really hot up until today. Today is probably 75 degrees. It's actually quite cool. Right now it's below 70 actually, so it's the first time in a while. So I just dumped that in. This is a 2 gallon. It says a scoop for 1.5, so I'm a little light because I did even a little bit less than a full scoop because I don't necessarily need to fully, do this. Then I've got this Mora Bloom, which is a 0-10-10. So I'm really trying to boost the potassium and phosphorus. And I don't necessarily want a whole lot of nitrogen. So here you can see this is 18-18-21. So a little bit stronger of stuff, but it has some nitrogen in it. Make this maybe, because I didn't do a full thing, so this will be probably roughly around a 10-20-20 basically. So that'll really give them a boost for flower and fruit production, because that's what the 10-10 does. Okay, it's roots, flowers, blooming. That's why it's called Mora Bloom on this one. Okay, and the same thing with this, has a 18-21 for the phosphorus and potassium. So fill this up and a little bit of fill, and then I kind of try to mix it a little bit. All right, there we go. This is filled to the brim. And now I'm just doing this. Now this is obviously liquid fertilizer, water soluble. It's good for a boost. It's not necessarily something that's going to last for a long time. They'll eat everything up, or it'll get washed away within a couple days. But it will give them a little boost right now. Since the temperatures have dropped, I want them to start producing flowers and fruit in abundance right now. So I did do some organic sprinkle fertilizer in the soil, and it was bone meal, which is mostly phosphorus. Those sprinkle fertilizers stay in the soil for longer. They can release what they need over a long period of time, but I wanted to give them something just a little extra right now to really kind of encourage that growth. And you can see I've got some tomatoes here. You see them here and here, and there's some, and they're all over right now. They're doing well. There's some more right there. Okay, so this is really gonna, encourage some of this, especially in these plants. So I'm not getting very much here in the bigger tomatoes, the beefsteaks. So I'm hoping that this will kind of encourage that. There's almost no flowers here. They're starting on the top. Let's see, you can see right there, we've got a couple flowers starting very top. There's a couple trying to start right there. So, same thing here. We've got quite a few trying to start on these beefsteaks as well. Okay. But this will hopefully give them a bigger boost and get me some more flowers, and hopefully can turn those flowers into actual fruit. So that's the goal. That's why I did that. So anyway, thanks for coming along, guys. That's pretty much what oh, look at this, new. These are new. Those weren't there just at least a day ago. So you can see what was happening here. You can see those flowers there, and nothing came out of them. They didn't produce any fruit, and that's because it's been way too hot. And when tomatoes are too hot, they don't produce fruit. Their pollen gets kind of sticky, at least from what I'm hearing, what I've read. And when it's too hot, and it does, and especially hot and humid like it is here, so it doesn't allow them to produce any fruit. So the flower will bloom and then fall right off, which is kind of what's happening on a lot of these. But now that it's cooled off, I just gave them a boost. I have a feeling I'm going to start getting quite a bit of fruit. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. I will see you guys on the next video. Now you try to escape the daily grind.